Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the iPhone 11 Pro or 11 Pro Max. So what we need is next to the phone the pin, and the pin is part of the box. You will find it in between the documents. Or otherwise you could use also the edge of a paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And there's a small hole in there, and with the edge of the pin or the paper clip you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Here it is. Okay, and then you will put the SIM card like this. So missing corner on missing corner, and the contacts are on the top. And that construction you put back into the phone like this. And that's it. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. Would be very helpful for more videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in. I may just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again. And maybe until next time. Ciao.